I'm feeling good.
Welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're visiting me, please like, share, and subscribe. If you are returning, thank you, and thank you for returning. Okay, we have a word, well, not a word, a question of the day. So, I'm thinking about coloring my locks. You suggest that I color my locks before my install or after my install. All right, for me, I colored my locks before my install. And the reason why I did that is because I knew it would have been a while before I could color my hair after I got it installed. So, can I color my hair after install? You can. You need to wait until your hair is locked, because you do not want to compromise the integrity of the locking process. So I suggest that you wait a couple years before you do color your hair. Another question, what kind of product should I use? I do not, listen up, recommend that you use bleach on your locks. It definitely compromises the integrity of your locks. It changes the texture of your locks. It makes your hair drier, which means it needs extra care. So a low maintenance hair, like locks, turns into a high maintenance hair style due to the hair color. I recommend if you are going to do it, use rinse. Use a rinse. Use hair wax. Something that's not going to interfere with the integrity of your hair and the locking process. That's just me. Based on my experience, color is very damaging, and it takes a low maintenance hairstyle, takes it up to a high maintenance hair style now, because you have to take extra care of your hair now, extra moisture for your hair. How often should I color my hair? I do not recommend you coloring your hair every time you see a gray. Wait, try looking at your hair after it grows out, see how you like it. Unfortunately, if you are using color for gray cover up, you will be coloring your hair a lot. You just will be. That gray pops out of nowhere. It seems like, well, you color your hair today black, and the next week it's like you get a whole inch of new growth full of gray. So my suggestion is do color your hair before, and then wait a couple years till your hair locks up before you color it again. Or be like me, I colored my hair once and that was it. I have no interest in coloring my hair because of the potential damage I can do to my locks. So I just wouldn't personally recommend color. I know some people do color their hair. They color their hair like once or twice a year. I think that would be something feasible to lessen the potential for damage to your locks if you just color it like that. Now, if you are trying to pull color out your hair, like lift color out your hair to put color, then the potential for damage increases exponentially. It just does. So that's some food for thought about, should I color or should I not color my hair? And you have to take into consideration the condition of your hair before you colored it. If you are already having issues with your hair drying out, your hair's already snapping off, I definitely do not recommend hair color. I just don't. Use some spray on color. Use a rinse. But anything harsh, I do not recommend that, especially if you having issues with your hair already. All right, hopefully this information has been helpful for you. Please drop something down in the comments about any tips that you would like for me to talk about in the future, or if this is helpful for you or not. So please Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.
and I'm feeling good.